Yes. So Harshit privately, okay. It is Karnataka. Bangalore is Karnataka. So the present story, the second part of the story, that is Glimpses of India, Kurg, the smallest district of Karnataka. It is in the midway of Mysore and Mangalore, and the place is said to be drifted away from the heaven. If you will see the words, that is the phrase, the beautiful phrase that the narrator has used, said that it is a place like which has been drifted from the heaven. So you may understand the beauty that the small hill area, the small land that lies in between the Mangalore, that is in Karnataka, the coastal town of Mangalore, and that sits a piece of heaven. So here the narrator has beautifully hit upon the geographical aspect of the place like Kurg. It is just inhabitant of a race of great warriors, beautiful women and wild creatures. The area is known for its coffee estates, forest and spice. One can reach this place by rail, by road and airways. So here the story, the Kurg, the place is situated between the Mysore and Mangalore. It is a land of hill inhabited by the proud race of martial men and beautiful women. Martial men and beautiful women. Kurg is also known as Kejagu. There are evergreen forest, spices, coffee plantation, and the most enjoyable season here comes from September to April, that is to the March. The smallest, the place is a smallest place, district of Karnataka. During the monsoon, it pours enough to keep many visitors away, and the season of joy starts from the September and continue till March. So the weather is perfect. Here you see the geographical aspect. The weather is perfect. The weather is perfect. Perfect means what? Perfect means what? If you something is perfect, what does it mean? Suitable. Perfect means suitable. Suitable to visit. Suitable to visit. The people living here possibly descended from Greeks and Arab. According to the one story, the part of Alexander's army once stayed back here, and they married among the locals, and the present race of the Kurg is a mixture of both culture. The culture of Alexander and the Grecian culture and the Indian culture. The mixture. These peoples wear long black coats. They also wear embodied waist belt. It relates them from the ancient herbs, that is kurds. The people living at this place are known for their hospitality. They are always ready to tell the tales about their bravery to their forefathers. Bravery of their forefathers. The first chief at Indian Army, that is General Karyappa, was a Kurgi from Kurg, that is a people from Kurg is Kurgi. At present, Khadabs are the only people in India allowed to carry firemen without a license. The river Kaveri gets its water from the hills of forest of the Kurg. A freshwater fish is the most delicious dish you can get it. Kurg offers different adventures to the people: river rafting, traveling, rock climbing, making life more adventurous. One can have a view of entire Kurg climbing Brahmagiri Hills. The island is Nizamabad of the British systems are some of the interesting places. So, the place Kurg that you are, I have just given you a brief introduction. The fiercely independent people of Kurds are possibly Greek and dissidents. As one story goes, the story of the Alexander the Great army moved south along the coast and settled where return became the impractical. These people married among the Indian people. Since then, their culture are mixed. Religious rites which are distinct from Hindu. Their religious rites are very different from the Hindu. Hindu mainstreams, the theory of Arab origins draws support from the long black, and somebody said that they are Arabians because of their dress, the long coat that they wear. The long coat that has embroidered belt, kodawas, and it resembles to the kafia worn by the Arabs. The kafia, Kufia, kafia, the long dress. The Kyrgyz homes have a traditional hospitality. They are known for their traditional hospitality, and they are more than willing to recount the numerous bravery story of their fathers. They love to tell it. They love to share it with the visitors whoever come there. The river Kaveri obtained its water from India, and the most landlocked, laid-back individuals become converted life, high energy adventure, high river adventure, the river rafting, climbing, and mountaineering. These are the sports that the birds, bees, and butterflies are there given a company. Macaws, marble squirrels, lynx, cylindroids keep a watching eyes from the tree of canopy. Here the natural beauty. The place is full of natural beauty. If you want to view the natural beauty of the Kurg, you can easily see it by climbing the Brahmagiri Hills that brings you into the panoramic, the beautiful view in captured the landscape of the Kurg. So dear children, the second chapter, that is about the Kurg. Now the people, what are the significant features? The significant feature of the small district Kurg, that it is a district of Karnataka in India. which is situated between Mysore and Mangalore. It lies almost in the midway of the two cities, that is Mysore and Mangalore. It is a place of rolling hills. Rolling hills, different thing that can make the place interesting. The evergreen forest, which cover almost the 30% of that district. The weather at this place from September to March is favorable to visit. One can reach this place by railways, roadways, and airways. The Kurk people are known for their hospitality and bravery. They are the descendant of martial race, the fighters, the fighter race. Their women are very, very beautiful. They often tell the story of their bravery to their fathers and sons. There is a Kurgi regiment, that is Indian Army, and Major Karyappa. Major Karyappa, you might have heard about. It is the most decorative regiment. It speaks of these people's bravery. These people are allowed to carry firearms without any license. Kurgis takes part in different water sports, mountaineerings. They keep elephants. They enjoy different adventurous games. There are many opportunities of rafting, canoeing, rafting these people, and they are really very, very interesting and wonderful people. It is believed that while you returning to the country, a part of the Alexander, how the Kurgs came into the existence. There are many stories, but the relevance of the story that is very close to the Alexander. Once his army moved toward the south along the coast, when they returned, became very difficult. When they could not return, they decided to settle there, and they married among the locals. If observe the martial traditions and religious rites of the group, if you will see those traditions, martial traditions and religious rites, then you could say they resemble to the Greek cultures. This support the Greek theory about the descendants of the people. Moreover, the dress that they wear, it is simply an Arabian dress. So that is popularly known as kupaya, kupya, Kuppi, it is written in two different ways, kupya and kupya. It is very much like a kafia worn by the Arabs, and they proudly relate the story of their bravery and to the others. So here some of the geographical features that is very interesting. The people of Kurg are known for their hospitality and for their bravery. The first chief of Indian Army, that is General Karyappa, was a Kurgi. Kurgi. The people of Kurg is Kurgi. So the Kurg, though it is a very small place and it is a small district of Kerala, but it is a very, very beautiful place. The lush green, evergreen forest, spice, landscapes, coffee plantation makes it so beautiful. So these are the important points of the story. Now, two worth watching places of the Kurg. There are the island of Nishar Dham, where the reached by the rope bridge, one of the tourist attraction. The Buddhist settlement of Bailakep meets the Buddhist temple, the monks, the red arch and the yellow robes. These are the two places. The Dham, the Bailak's Dham and the Buddhist monks are the two attractive places for the tourist. Bailakapi. Bailakapi is a Kurg Indian largest Tibetan settlements, and that is the place that is to be visitable. Now, why the people, why Kurg is called a piece of a heaven on earth? Because in the very introduction, the narrator has made us aware that the place Kurg is a piece of heaven, drifted from heaven. It is called, why? Because it lies in the midway of Mysore and Mangalore, that is in Karnataka. It is beautiful region in rolling hills. Here live brave men, beautiful women, and 30% of land is covered by the evergreen forest. During the monsoon, it rains very heavily. Water from forest and hills feed the famous river Kaveri. The water of Kaveri provides adventurous sports like rafting, canoeing and rappelling. The climb of Brahmagiri Hills provides the panoramic view of the landscape of the king. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the island of Nishagar Dham, which is the Indian largest Tibetan settlement. The nature, the wild creature and the people of Kurg make this place feel like the kingdom of heaven. Okay? Now, describe the natural beauty. If anybody can describe the natural beauty of the Kurg. Come on. Can anybody describe the natural beauty of the Kurg? The place, the beautiful place that is covered. You can describe in that the Kurg is a very naturally beautiful place, gifted with nature. The place that is a region of rolling hills, the land that is the 30% of the land that remain covered throughout the year due to the rainforest. The river Kaveri provides its adventurous sports like rafting, canoeing and rappelling. And by climbing the Brahmagiri Hills, one can see the panoramic view, the beautiful view and the breathtaking view of the place. So in this way, these words are, you can use these words to describe the natural beauty of the place Kurg.